सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टार जीनियस एकेडमी चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्निकल एजुकेशनल और अदर वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Subscribe to Star Genius Academy channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of technical educational और other videos। हमारी सारी वीडियो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में अवेलेबल है, लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है। Okay friends, welcome to Star Genius Academy world. I am Rahul Kumar, a computer engineer, and today's topic is how to use any UPI payment app like Yono SBI or Tej in a rooted smartphone. Okay friends, let's start.
Okay friends, let's see how to do it. Okay, just open any browser and just search Magisk download in the Google, and you will see the first link of XDA developer forum. Just click this and you will get this page, and below just scroll it down, and then below you will get the link. This one latest Magisk is showing here. Just click this link. After clicking you will get a download link. Just download it. I have already downloaded, so I won't download again. See, it is showing already downloaded. You want to download again? No, I won't download. You please download. After downloading, open an explorer and then just copy that file like I'm having. Copy that zip file in your external SD card. Sorry, cool pen. Yeah, Magisk is there. Just copy it and paste it here in XD card, and I have already, that's why I will skip it. See, it is here in Magisk 15.3 version. Okay, what you need to do, if you are already having a super SU, then first you need to just uninstall the super SU properly. You can directly fully uninstall that by just go in the super SU setting and just press full uninstall or full unroot, then do it. And then when it will restart, maybe you will stuck on the boot loop, so don't restart just the system, just restart in a recovery mode. And what you need to do, you just need to install this Magisk through the TWRP recovery. Just press the install button and use and just install this Magisk zip file. It will install and just reboot to system, and then you just open. Okay, after opening I'll show you that thing. See, okay, I am showing you how to do this. Just press power button and volume up button to go in recovery mode. प्रेस कीजिए ऊपर वॉल्यूम बटन और रिकवरी मोड बटन, ऊपर वॉल्यूम बटन और पावर बटन रिकवरी मोड में जाने के लिए। मेरा टीम इन रिकवरी मोड है। जस्ट स्वाइप कीजिएगा, जस्ट स्वाइप इट एंड गो टू इंस्टॉल। जाइए इंस्टॉल में और सेलेक्ट कीजिए SD कार्ड। सेलेक्ट द SD कार्ड वेयर यू हैव पुट दैट जिप फाइल। चूज़ कीजिए SD कार्ड को जहाँ पे आपने डाला था वो फाइल को, और बस ओके। और आपको मिल रहा होगा, देखिए Magisk 15.3, दिस वन, जस्ट चेक इट, Magisk 15.3, दिस you need to install. Just select this and do this, swipe to confirm and it will install, but I have already installed so I won't do. मैंने कर चुका है, मैंने किया है इसे, इसलिए मैं नहीं करूँगा। ठीक है, आपको ये करना है तो उसका इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। इंस्टॉल होने के बाद बस रिबूट टू सिस्टम कर लीजिएगा और कुछ नहीं। मैं रिबूट टू सिस्टम कर रहा हूँ, बाकी आप okay friends, after restarting I'll show you it's working totally fine. Just first of all, what you need to do, just go if you are already having Yono SBI app or Tej app, see I am having Yono SBI and Tej both. Otherwise you need to install it, and don't open that both the app. Okay, just first only install and just close it, and don't open the app. Just go to Magisk Manager, open it, and just go to Magisk Hide here. Okay, then just type that app name Yono, and just this tick, and if it will untick, just tick it. It will be unticked by default. You just need to tick it. And for Tej also, Tej, just tick this one. Okay, and then just go for it. Use the app, just open it and it will work. Already I have account, means I have already registered and set up all the and then Tej I'm working on that. I'm using currently, so I can show you. It will take some time to open as my net is little slow. See, it's showing. See, I have generated MPIN, so I need to just enter the MPIN, then log in. Okay, so I'm exiting it. I'm showing the Tej one. See, Tej, open Tej one. Just password. See, it's working fine. Everything is working fine. Okay.
Okay friends, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this video. Share this video to your friends and social networking sites so that they can also get the knowledge. And if you want video on some topic, please comment below. And okay friends, let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.